Alright, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today I'm going to be breaking down or building my Sony A6300 minimalist cinema setup. As some of you know, I recently picked up the Sony A6300. Really great camera for the price, all the frame rates you can get out of it, 4K. Really happy with this purchase. So obviously that's the base. The lens I use on it mainly is the Meike 12mm 2.8 manual lens. I don't know why, I just kind of like manual lenses for video, but that's beside the point. Let's jump right into it. So the cage I use is the SmallRig. I'm not really sure what it is. It's just a SmallRig A63, A6500 open cage. I know some of them have like a wooden handle right here, but I decided not to get that version. And on it I have a SmallRig hot shoe extra mount right there. So I'm just gonna put this in. Alright, and there you got. It's a nice heavier setup, you know, for this camera. It's super light, so handheld will be kind of shaky, but now it's a lot better. So that's the first thing. The next thing I'm going to do is put on the SmallRig top handle. I think it's called the cheese grated one, but anyways, I'm just going to have this one. I'm just going to screw this in with my Allen wrench. And once that's on, you already got pretty much a really good, very portable, way more like handheld. Like your handheld shots will be a lot better holding it from the top other than like this. And yeah, it's way better like this already. What I'm going to put on next is the monitor mount. What I use is the Rigland monitor mount. I'm not sure why, it's just a lot cheaper. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna have it try to be all the way to the left as possible because we don't want it to interrupt the top handle. So yeah, the Rigland monitor mount, way cheaper than the SmallRig version and pretty much the exact same. So I'm gonna screw this boy in. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put the HDMI cable for the monitor around that, just to get it like wrapped around because I have a longer cable, I have to. So once that's on there, my monitor, this is the 4.5-inch FeelWorld 4K monitor. I bought this just because of the size. I want it to be as like minimal as possible with this setup since it's like a minimal camera. And so yeah, I'm just gonna screw that on the plate, and there we're pretty much almost done. Now it's starting to look like an actual setup. I got the monitor, top handle, cage, everything's looking good so far. Now I'm gonna put on the quick release plate just for my tripods and stuff. Put that on tight. Alright, and now we're gonna put on the last thing, which is the microphone. Sometimes I'll be going with the Rode VideoMic Pro, but for right now I'm just gonna be using the Movo VXR 10. So I'm gonna put that on the side. I'm gonna put that on the hot shoe mount that I put on the side that I talked about earlier. So screw that on, wrap it around a couple times to get the cords out of the way, and there we go. We have our setup. What I like about this is just how small it is. You can get a great image out of this camera, some great audio with this microphone, way more robust. You can do a lot more with it. You can get a way cleaner image out of the monitor than the onboard LCD screen. That's just what I like a lot more, especially with when you go into 4K mode. This dims a lot more, this will not. So yeah, that's pretty much my A6300 mini cinema setup. I'm gonna be using this weekend. I'm going up north, gonna be using it and hopefully getting some cool shots in. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought this was helpful or cool or interesting. Check out some of our other content. That's it. I will see you in the next video.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.